We shall now proceed to the signing of MOAs. May we request these gentlemen to please come up on stage. The VP for Operations of Gr8 Solutions Corporation, Mr. Alan Chamberlain Luterio Diologo. The OIC of the DFA Consular Office in Calesiao, Mr. Benjamin Malukating. IPO Intellectual Property Office from the Office of the Director General, Attorney Teodoro C. Pascua. PAZA Economic Zone Administrator from Baguio City, we have Mr. Emmanuel D. Cortero. Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporated Representative, Mr. Crisostomo M. De Luna Jr. And from Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporation, Mr. Angelito Dizon. May we request the authorized representative of the Strategic Alliance Holding Incorporated, or SAHI, Cesar T. Kiambao. And Mr. George Yulo.
Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporated Eco Solutions Corporation is a global suite of the United States of America and international companies comprise Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporated, a renewable energy technology and smart city development company based in USA. Eco Company, a Philippines-based renewable energy, waste and water treatment and project development, and Viper Tycoon LLC is a USA, India, and Thailand battery life PO4 cell manufacturing plants, BES, assembly operation, and EV charging stations. Gr8 Seas is concert with Viper Tycoon LLC has entered into an agreement to manufacture lithium ferrophosphate batteries, BESS battery energy storage system, and EV charging stations for Indian market, USA market, and United Kingdom markets. The company and its partners would like to enter an agreement with the Strategic Alliance Holdings Incorporated, SAHI, to create a sub-assembly and battery manufacturing plant in the Philippines for the Southeast Asia markets. The manufacturing and assembly agreement pertains to the battery cell manufacturing and battery energy storage system, or BESS, for the use in renewable energy projects and EV charging station infrastructure. The parties, through the company's expertise and the SAHI development opportunities, have agreed to ensure collaborative efforts in determining business potentials that will lead to a sustainable manufacturing and assembly facilities. The MOA signing ceremony for Bayambang Life PO4 battery cell manufacturing and BESS energy storage system assembly plant project costs $40 million project and will create hundreds of employment opportunities for the province of Pangasinan. The purpose of this agreement is to manufacture, assemble, distribute, market, sell live PO4 battery cells, BESS battery energy storage systems, assembly battery cells, assemble and manufacture EV charging stations using smart and green energy technology, power generation equipment developed by the Gr8 SHI and its technology partners, and at the same time showcase its renewable energy generation products utilizing live PO4 batteries and BESS systems. Towards the end, the party shall endeavor to manufacture, assemble live PO4 cell, BESS and EV charging stations for Tecren Ablion Grid Storage Projects, BESS for the United Kingdom National Grid, Hydropower Gravitational Energy System, batteries and BESS, Hybrid Battery and Magnetic Generation Systems, Skywolf Wind Turbines, batteries and BESS for Solar Wind Hybrid Turbine, Viper Apollo Smart Light, batteries and BESS for Smart Poles, Earth Wind Turbines, batteries and BESS for Hybrid Wind Turbines, Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporated for the renewable energy projects, and Viper Tecren LLC for the USA and India markets. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the MOA signing between the Strategic Alliance Holdings Incorporated, SAHI, represented by Dr. Cesar T. Kimbao, and the Gr8 Seas Holdings Incorporated, Great Eco Solutions Corporations from the United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bayambang Live PO4 Battery Cell Manufacturing and BESS Energy Storage System Assembly Plant Project costing $40 million project for the province of Pangasinan.